Okay, so sa topic na to, mag-solve tayo ng isang problem about electromagnetics. So a magnetizing force of 1,000 ampere turns per meter will produce a flux density of blank in air. Okay, so first, meron daw tayong magnetizing force na 1,000 ampere turns per meter. So basically, itong 1,000 ampere turns per meter natin, ito yung magnetic field intensity natin. Okay, so meron kasi tayong formula ng absolute permeability na. So, mu O, mu R is equal to B or beta over H. So, yung mu O natin, yun yung absolute permeability of free space natin. So, equal siya sa 4 pi times 10 raised to negative 7 Henry per meter. So, ito yung mu O natin. And yung relative permeability naman natin, ito yung permeability ng material natin. So, in this case, since air yung material natin, so magiging 1 na lang to. So, assume natin na yan. Okay. Then, yung B natin, yun yung magnetic flux or magnetic flux density natin. So, B. Ang unit naman yan is Tesla. And yung H natin is, ito, 1,000 ampere turns per meter. Okay. So, MO natin or mu O natin, 4 pi times 10 raised to negative 7 multiplied by 1 is equal to, so, B, hinahanap, over H. So, yung H natin for this problem is 1,000. So, solving for magnetic flux density natin. So, try natin i-solve. So, 4 pi times 1 times 10 raised to negative 7 is equal to alpha x. Okay, so yan yung magnetic flux density natin divided by 1,000. Solving for x, meron tayong 1.2566 times 10 raised to negative 3 Tesla. Or, kung ko-convert natin ito into milli-Tesla, so meron tayong sagot na 1.2566 milli-Tesla. Okay. So, kung titignan natin, ang sagot natin sa problem na to is letter A. So, 1.257 milli-Tesla. Okay. So, with that, thank you ulit sa pakikinig and panonood. Bye, guys!